having a normal day. Suddenly, your phone rings. It's a recruiter on the other end. You have to suddenly attend a technical screening call. It can be a bit scary, but don't worry. We will help you to handle this situation smoothly. Welcome to the official channel of Career Plan, your free, personalized career planning tool. Today we are talking about how to answer your technical screening call. If you receive a technical screening call, it is important to stay calm and collected. If you are in a noisy environment, it is perfectly okay to ask the recruiter to hold on for a moment while you move to a quieter place. Just say something like, "Could you please hold on for a moment while I move somewhere quiet?" This will help you focus and ensure the conversation goes smoothly. We have spoken to hundreds of candidates for screening. Here is what we saw. Many times the candidate would continue talking in a call when it's very noisy. This may lead to both you and the recruiter struggle to hear each other clearly, leading to misunderstandings or missed information. Sometimes the timing of the call might be genuinely inconvenient. If that's the case, it is totally fine to politely request to reschedule. You can say, "I appreciate the call, but I am in the middle of something important right now. Could we reschedule for a time that works better?" This shows that you value their time and want to be fully present for the conversation. When you answer the call, do so with confidence and professionalism. Start with a clear and polite greeting. It is always a good idea to be prepared even for unexpected calls. Be ready to briefly summarize your background and why you are interested in the role. This preparation will help you answer questions confidently and effectively. During the call, make sure to listen carefully to the interviewer's questions. Take a moment to think before you answer and respond with clarity. Do not disconnect the call or block the number if you do not know the answer. If you do so, it shows unprofessionalism and makes the recruiter lose interest in your profile. Instead, you can say that at the moment you are not able to recall the answer, but you will go through the topic once again. This makes the recruiter feel that you are interested in improving your skills. Many a times, we have seen that candidates disconnect the call by becoming nervous after hearing the technical question. Either they cut the call or switch off their phone. It is better to avoid doing this. Sometimes you may not be interested in the role. In such case, instead of just ignoring the call, it is better to inform the recruiter that you are no longer interested in the job role and looking for other opportunities. It shows that you value their efforts and time so that when the better opportunity comes, they may contact you again. It is always good to maintain good relationship with the recruiters. Show your enthusiasm for the role and the company by expressing your interest. You might say, "I am excited to learn more about this opportunity." This shows that you are engaged and motivated. Sometimes, when we call the candidates, they would just answer the questions and then disconnect the call. It makes the recruiter think that the candidate is not interested in the role. Good communication skills is also very important. Do not forget to ask a couple of questions about the role or the company. This demonstrates your interest and engagement. You can ask about the feedback for your answers and ask for suggestions for improvements. Finally, after the call, it is a great idea to send a thank you email. This follow-up shows your professionalism and reinforces your enthusiasm for the role. So, there you have it. Handling a technical screening call doesn't have to be stressful. With these tips, you can stay calm, professional, and confident, leaving a positive impression on the recruiter. And that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career tips. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.